Hi, my name is Dr. Grant Elliott. I'm the founder of RehabFix. RehabFix was created for a solution for individuals all around the world who are struggling with low back issues. So I'm originally from central Indiana, just north of Indianapolis. I was there for my whole childhood growing up until I moved to graduate school, which was in St. Louis. And then from there, I'm now residing in Tampa, Florida. So I'm the youngest of 3 boys. It was a crazy household, but we all grew up playing sports and athletics. And anyone that really knows me knows that whatever I put my mind to, I go 100% at it. If I can't go 100% in something, I just won't do it at all. And that's kind of what I did with my first passion, actually, which was skateboarding. Pushing myself as hard as I could. That was a big passion of mine. And once I kind of got out of skateboarding, then that passion kind of just transferred. And it transferred to biking, and then it transferred towards my education, and which is now transferred towards me helping people. The sports I accelerated in were sports like wrestling, mountain bike racing, got really into mountain bike racing, and that's actually what kind of brought me to where I am now. As I was racing, I started to get low back pain, and my low back was affecting my ability to complete my races. I actually sought out care, and the individuals I saw, they weren't able to help me. They didn't really give me any answers, and I just stopped racing actually because of that. I needed an outlet, and I couldn't race anymore, so then I just got interested into the gym and just lifting weights. In high school was when I first started designing programs for people, diet programs, workout programs, and when I was a senior in high school, the assistant principal of our school of almost 5,000 students, actually came to me, and I designed him a diet and workout routine. So that was pretty cool. So my philosophy began when I was younger, and I started to observe how my grandparents were being taken care of with different health ailments, body aches. And what I was seeing was just a lot of pills, a lot of drugs, invasive surgeries. But what I was seeing was them not changing what they were doing within their lives. They weren't making a change that would provide sustainable outcomes. And I thought that was very backwards. So if someone, isn't moving the right way, or their body isn't functioning the right way, why would we not address that first before going to more of these risky, expensive, and invasive procedures? I want to teach you how you can fix yourself. If you're dependent on a provider, if you're dependent on a coach, then you're just that, you're dependent. It's no different than needing a drug. What's really special about online care actually is that there's no way to do it for them. You give them the tools, they do it, they get the results themselves, and they can truly see, I can do this. I can do this on my own. I can do this. I just needed some guidance. I love what I do every day. I love speaking to people around the world, whether they've just hurt their low back and they're just wanting to get it done right the first time, or they've been struggling for years and have lost hope. I absolutely love being able to work with these individuals. I get a rush out of it. I love it when I figure it out. And there's just nothing more that could bring me the satisfaction and the reward that I get on a daily basis from guiding these individuals back to living their life to the fullest, and do my very, very best to slowly but surely rid the world of the #1 disability, which is low back pain. I just wake up every day excited to work.